Welcome to iTech Hope. I recently by mistake deleted all my internal files which included my photos, my media, also my contacts, the backup of contacts and many documents. And I felt helpless because I was not finding an accurate tool to recover those documents since I had made a clean swipe. But then I came across this app called Disk Digger. So this is the basic one. I also have the pro one which I'll show you later in this video. What this basic one does is it just gives the recovery of all the photos that are lost. So you can select PNG, JPEG, GIF, etc. but not the other ones. For now I'll just select for a demo the JPEG files. I'll press on OK and I'll just start recovery. And as you can see, it is scanning and it has already found 3 files of mine. It will scan, it will take a long time, but it will scan and recover most of your files. Sometimes it also recovers the files which are damaged. So for that you need to repair those files. So you need to search on Google how to repair those files and you might get a solution there. So this is one way to find the documents which are lost, the photographs which are lost. And once suppose it's 100% completed, for now I'm just showing for the 5 files. After completing 100%, you just need to select and you need to go to options, select all or whatever it is, and then just click on recovery and it will give you 3 options. First one is to send it to the cloud so that you can directly keep a backup of it. Second one is to save it locally, that will store in your internal storage. And third option is to send it via FTP. For that you need to configure an FTP server and you need to send it via FTP to your PC or whatever desired location you want to. For now I will save it to my internal storage. It will ask me for the location to store and I will just select TCM4. I have photos in it. I press OK and that's it. It's done. 5 files are saved. Now I'll show you once it's saved. It's in DCM and here it is. Here is the file. See, as I told, sometimes it also recovers the defected images which are broken ones. So this I need to repair. Others are here. So this is one way. And about Disk Digger Pro, which is a paid version, I have installed it from Play Store itself. This basically gives each and everything which is lost or which is deleted by mistake. For example, when I click on data, this is my drive to select from where I want to recover the files, and I just need to select all the extensions which I need to recover. It also recovers APK files, so that's a good thing. Allow it, and it will start scanning again. And this process will go on for a long time, but the results are good. So this is a good app. You should try. Definitely give it a try. You can change the settings to show the results, thumbnail size also, and you can also filter the size of the files which you want to set the minimum size, so that if you don't want to recover the files which are very small or the images which are very small size like thumbnails and all, so you can edit the size. For example, minimum size should be 100 bytes or 10,000 bytes is by default, which is okay, and I'll select OK, and then it will only give me the files which are above 100 KB. So this is a good option there. See, So guys, that's it for now. Hope you have liked it. Do share our videos, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts regarding this, just mention them in the comment below. We'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.